Welcome back to the GOPROist, guys. My name is Michael, and this is my custom PC build series. Alrighty, guys. First off, I do want to say that you may hear in my voice that I have a small cold, so just bear with me today. Excuse me. And we're gonna get some stuff done today on the PC. So this is where we left off. We've got our CDs and free stuff and our RAM, and we're going to install the Blu-ray drive right now, so let's jump right in. Alright, so I've re-angled everything, and here's the drive, my Asus Blu-ray drive. Well, that looks very nice. I do like that. It fits nicely into the case. Well, there we go. Optical drive is installed. Now, if we want to move any farther into the case, we're actually going to have to remove our CPU cooler, so let's get to that. We're going to put the motherboard and the processor together and put it in the case. So let's pull out the motherboard and see what we got. Alright, so inside the motherboard box, we obviously have the motherboard, some SATA cables, SLI bridge, rear panel, and these nice little plug things that I'll get to once we get there. Alrighty, guys, so I've got my motherboard here, my processor here, so let's constantly touch the computer to make sure we don't have any static built up on us, because that will, or could, harm the computer. I don't want to take any chances. Let's take this beautiful motherboard out of the package. Wow! Absolutely love these things. It just looks so nice, especially if they match your computer. I know a lot of people are like, rather go for better than to match your computer, but hey, mine matches, so it just makes it doubly awesome. Okay, so carefully, actually we're gonna remove this first. Alrighty, so here we go. Slowly lift that out without touching any of the pins underneath. Gonna match up that corner. There. We're going to drop it into place and lock it down. That is our processor installed. Okay, we're now going to install the bracket for the CPU cooler.
So, you should always get out your manual for your CPU cooler, and right here, you find the one that says the same socket for your processor. Mine is an AM3 plus. So, we're going to find the stick Mylar E on the back plate C, place the 4 grommets F on the corresponding openings. Great, okay.
So I'm going to get all those parts together and we'll be right back. Okay, so I've got my back plate here with my sticky parts here and the little grommets that took forever to push in because they're very tough. Be mindful that you put it in the right orientation. You'll see if you get something like this. And always make sure you read the instructions. Everyone's always like, oh, it looks easy enough. Don't, if you break something, that's not good. Or if you do something wrong, that could break your whole computer. So that's not good at all. Discharge myself here. We are going to now put it on the back of the motherboard. So we are going to have to detach these. So I'll do that now. Now install the backplate to back of our motherboard. Carefully flip the motherboard back over. Alrighty guys, so it is time. I have the screw bag here. Takes them out so you can get to them easily. This here, and I discharge. Trusty screwdriver here. We're going to start installing on the case. So we're going to carefully lift our motherboard up. Okay, so that is the motherboard installed. Okay guys, so I'm starting to finish up plugging things in. I've got some serial DA ports here.